Are you a retiree looking to protect your hard-earned savings? Have you heard about gold IRAs but are unsure of where to start? Well, today I'm going to walk you through exactly how to open a gold IRA account, step by step, and show you how this could be one of the smartest moves for your retirement. Now, you might be wondering, why should I bother with a gold IRA? Well, let's take a quick look at what's going on with the economy right now. The stock market is volatile, inflation is at a 40-year high, and many retirees are concerned about their nest eggs being eroded by economic uncertainty. On top of that, we've seen troubling headlines about banks teetering on the edge of instability. And let's not forget the ongoing debates over government spending. The truth is, the future of your retirement could be at risk if you're not making the right moves today. And that's where a gold IRA comes in. It's a way to protect your retirement savings from inflation and market crashes by diversifying into a tangible, historically stable asset, gold. And trust me, you don't want to be caught in a situation where your retirement savings lose value when you need them the most. Let me tell you about someone just like you. Let's call her Janet. Janet, from Florida, worked as a nurse for over 30 years. After decades of saving, she had $520,000 in her 401k, but when the market crashed in 2008, she watched her savings dwindle. Over the years, Janet became more and more concerned about her retirement. She was approaching her 60s and wanted to make sure her hard-earned money would be safe, no matter what happened with the economy. Janet decided to open a gold IRA, and it's one of the best decisions she ever made. She moved a portion of her 401k into gold, and over the years, not only has it maintained its value, but it's also appreciated, giving her a strong hedge against inflation. Now Janet feels secure knowing her retirement is protected, and she can leave behind a legacy for her children. And guess what? She did this with a simple, no-pressure, educational call with an expert who guided her through the entire process. So, let's dive into the steps for opening your own gold IRA and how you can do the same. Step 1. Research trusted gold IRA custodians. The first thing you need to do is find a reputable custodian. A custodian is the company that will manage your gold IRA for you. They'll help with a rollover from your existing IRA or 401k, and they'll be there every step of the way. Look for a custodian with a solid track record, good customer service, and a focus on education. Step 2. Set up your gold IRA. Once you've chosen a custodian, you'll need to open your gold IRA account. This process is very similar to opening a traditional IRA, and the custodian will guide you through it. You'll be asked to fill out some forms, provide identification, and sign agreements. Don't worry, your custodian will make this simple and easy to understand. Step 3. Fund your gold IRA. After your account is set up, you'll need to fund it. You can do this by rolling over funds from your existing IRA or 401k. The process is tax-free and penalty-free as long as you do it correctly. Your custodian will handle all the paperwork and make sure everything is transferred seamlessly. Step 4. Choose your gold. Once your account is funded, you'll need to select the gold you want to invest in. With a gold IRA, you're restricted to physical gold, gold coins, or bars that meet certain purity standards. Your custodian will provide a selection of gold products that are eligible for your IRA, and you can choose the ones that fit your investment strategy. Step 5. Store your gold. Here's the thing, you can't just keep your gold at home. For security reasons, your gold needs to be stored in an IRS-approved depository. Your custodian will arrange this for you and make sure your gold is stored safely and securely. Now here's the thing. This might sound like a lot of steps, but it doesn't have to be overwhelming. The key is to work with a custodian that prioritizes education and customer support. They'll walk you through each step and make sure you're comfortable with your decision. And I want to make this even easier for you. That's why I'm offering you a free gold IRA guide, plus a no-obligation one-on-one educational call with a gold IRA expert. This call is designed to answer all your questions, clear up any confusion, and help you decide if a gold IRA is the right move for you. And just so you know, there's no pressure, no sales gimmicks, and no free silver promises. It's just real, valuable education to help you make an informed decision. Take control of your retirement. Don't let your savings sit there vulnerable to inflation or market crashes. Protect your future today by taking advantage of this free offer. It's your hard-earned money. Make sure you're doing everything you can to protect it for the next generation. Click the link below to get your free gold IRA guide and schedule your educational call. Let's make sure your retirement is secure no matter what the future holds.